Good morning, students. Welcome to General Science class. Now, in this class, we discuss about oscillatory motion. What is the oscillatory motion? The to and fro motion of an object about a fixed point, always following the same path, is known as a oscillatory motion. Once again, what is the oscillatory motion? The to and fro motion of an object about a fixed point for always following the same path is called oscillatory motion. Okay, students, what is the definition of oscillatory motion? Oscillatory motion is defined as the to and fro, to and fro motion of an object about a fixed point, fixed point, always following the same path, is called oscillatory motion. Is called oscillatory motion. Okay, students, what is the oscillatory motion? Oscillatory motion is defined as the to and fro motion of an object about a fixed point, always following the same path, is called oscillatory motion. That means some objects are move forward and backward, or upward and downward on either side of a fixed point or fixed line, is called oscillatory motion. Now we explain this oscillatory motion we conduct with the help of a small activity. We understand about the concept of oscillatory motion. In this activity, we take a metal ball. Okay, students, what is this? This is a metal ball. This metal ball is tied up with a cotton thread. Okay, students, now this metal ball is tied up with cotton thread. Okay, students, this metal ball is tied up with cotton thread. Now it is suspended. It from a retard stand. This is called pendulum. Okay, students, what is the pendulum? A metal ball is tied up with thread and it is suspended from any fixed point of the retired stand. This is called pendulum. Now, this pendulum, this means this ball is hold it my hand and it is full one side. Okay, students, how to clearly we notice that this ball is full one side. Now I it release from my hand. What do you notice? You notice that this ball is moves in forward direction and again will come to backward direction about a fixed point either side of a fixed point. That means two motion and flow motion along the same path. This is called oscillatory motion. Okay, students, once again, what is oscillatory motion? The to and fro, and that means the forward and the backward motion of the body, motion of an object about a fixed point or about a fixed line is called in the same path is called a oscillatory motion. Okay, how to look at that the other examples of oscillatory motion. Other examples are the oscillatory motions are noticed that a gall, a gall, the gall, the gall on a, the gall on a swing, the gall on a swing, swing, swing moves backward and forward, backward and forward, backward and forward on either side of on either side of on either side of the rest position of the rest position of rest position of the swing of the swing. Next one is the motion of needle. The motion of needle in sewing machine. Sewing machine. Okay, students. Other examples are, what are the other examples of oscillatory motion? The gall on a swing. The gall on a swing moves backward and forward on either side of the rest position of the swing. Rest position of the swing. And we notice that the swing is moves in forward and backward about a fixed point. So the motion of the swing is an example of the oscillatory motion. Next one example, the motion of the needle in a sewing machine. Sewing machine means tailor. In a tailor machine lo needle moves in upward and downward about a fixed point. That's why the motion of the needle in sewing machine is also an example of oscillatory motion. Once again, students, what is the oscillatory motion? Oscillatory motion is the to and fro motion. to and from motion, that means forward and backward of an object about a fixed point is always following the same path is called oscillatory motion. And also given that the motion of pendulum in wall clock, it is also an example of oscillatory motion. Okay, friends, you have to understand that what is the oscillatory motion, the to and from motion of an object about a fixed point, following, always following the same path is called the oscillatory motion. Okay, friends. Okay, students. Tomorrow we'll continue next class.